Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM cards on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25, S25 Plus or whatever Samsung Galaxy smartphone you got. So here we go. So the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or the Galaxy S25 or S25 Plus comes with a nano SIM card slot. So make sure you got a nano SIM card with you, and you will have to use this SIM card tray ejector pin that comes in the retail box. So the very first thing you have to do is locate the SIM card tray slot that is at the bottom of your S25 Ultra. Now what you have to do is insert this pin here in this tiny hole on the SIM card tray slot. Make sure that you are inserting the pin in this hole here, not on this one, because this is microphone. If you insert and apply a bit of pressure on this hole here with this pin, then it might damage your microphone. So make sure that you are not doing this wrong. So put it here, just apply a bit of pressure. And as you can see, the SIM card tray slot popped out, and there is a message appearing on the screen that SIM card tray is out. Check SIM card tray. I'm going to take it out now. So now you just need to have a look on the SIM card tray slot. You can see there is a marking of the SIM card, and SIM1 is written on the back. It's pretty plain because this one comes only with single SIM slot. In few of them you might find dual SIM card slot, but what we got here is the single SIM. The method is exactly same. So what you need to do is now just follow the shape of the SIM card on this slot here with the real physical SIM. So you can see it is like this. Just put it on the slot here. You can see it is fitting perfectly. Now you need to put it back in the SIM card tray slot. But once again, you have to be a bit cautious because you need to align and match this hole here in this empty slot here with the hole here on the tray. So it will go like this, and then you can just slide it in. Now this SIM card tray slot is inside. You can see the warning message that was coming earlier, it's gone, and now it is showing me this message that Wi-Fi calling can be enabled on our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. By default, the SIM manager is popped out to show the settings and options we got here. So here you can see it is showing the name of my service provider, my mobile number that is hidden for privacy, and we can also add an eSIM, but here we are talking about the physical SIM. So if we tap on this more SIM settings here, we got the option to activate the SIM card security, and you can lock the SIM card, and same option for the eSIM. And now if we go to the settings and then go to the connection and then to mobile networks, you get the option to turn on the data roaming voice over LTE calls on the SIM1 that we got here. And if you want to have 2G services, you can even turn on this toggle that's turned on by default. Under the network mode, you can select between the 5G, LTE that is 4G, or the 3G. We got the access point names for the mobile internet. And then what we got here is the network operator. By default, select automatically is turned on. If you turn it off, then you will get the option to manually select one of the telecom operator in your area. So this is how you can insert the SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and do various changes in the settings related to it. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.